Asiphinde sinibingelele sinamukele ngaphansi kwe-YouTube channel uSiba lukaZulu. Kumbukiso wethu namhlanje sizobheka ukuthi si-aplya kanjani through i-CAO. Uzongena lapha ku-Google Chrome wakho and type CAO online application, CAO online application. Mawungena lapho uzoklikha lapho apply kwi-first link lapha, you click apply. Izobe sekuthatha sekubeka la kwi-website yaka-CAO. Mawufika la you read lapha lo bathi kufunde bese ureadile, you click lapha u-apply now lapha eceleni lapha kwa left wakho, you click apply now. If you click apply now bazodinga ukuthi ufake your ID number. Uzobe sowufaka i-ID number yakho njengoba injalo. If usoyiphantshile i-ID number yakho, you click submit. After you clicked usubmit izobe sekuthatha sekubeka la, and then you read again lapha before you continue. After finishing reading lapha, you then come here and click continue with application. If usuklikhele continue with application izobe sekubeka la to fill your personal details. Laphana first names ubhala amagama akho amabili njengoba enjalo, and then kwi-surname you write your surname. Title you choose lapha, if umiss you click lapha ku-miss, if umiste you click lapha ku-miste, ubhala lokho okuhambiselana nawe. It is also important ukuthi ube nayo i-email address. If ungenayo i-email address uzoza lapha la kubhalwe khona ngamagama ukuthi if you do not have an email you must create one here, then enter the newly created address in the field above. If ungenayo email uzoya lapha ku-click lapha ku-here, you just click here lapha to create i-email. If unayo uyayiphantsha lapha njengoba injalo i-email address yakho. Postal, mawusufika la you just click lapha search for postal code ukuthi kuzoba lula, search your postal code and then click search. After sevelile you select le eqondene nawe. Box number uyayifaka. Phone details uzofaka ama-details akho ocingo la. Your cell phone number, you write cell phone number yakho. Njengoba injalo, then you click lapha kwi-box lethi I confirm that I've read, understood and understand and accept terms and conditions, naleli lapha ngenzansi to accept applicant declaration and informed consent. Then you click on next, and then after lokho they say thank you, your contact details have been entered successfully. So uqedile ngama-contact details, then you read lapha, please continue to complete your online application. Awukaqedi-ke if usenze lokho bowufaka nje ama-contact details akho. To continue with the application uza lapha ku-continue with application lapha ezansi, you just click continue with online application, and then after clicking continue with application izobe seyikuvezela lapha i-CAO number yakho, i-password ne-easy pay number. Ikona-ke lokho ozokusebenzisa to log in next time uzoqhubeka ne-online application. They will also send you i-email enala ama-details lawa. I-easy pay number inamba ozoyisebenzisa to pay for i-application fee. I-application fee njengamanje, njengoba wenza ama-late application, ibiza u-470. After you've completed your personal details, uklikha lapha u-continue with application, izobe seyikuthatha seyikubeka la. Uma ngabe ufika la, about yourself, previous surname, ufaka your previous surname if wakwaba nesebenzisa isibongo esinye beside lesi ososebenzisa njengamanje, ufaka sona lapha. If ungenaso, if ukwazi ushintsha isibongo, ushiya nje kunjengoba kunjalo lapha. Uza lapha kuma-financial aid. Have you applied to NSFAS for financial aid? Uyakhetha lapha if u-applyile for NSFAS, you click yes. If awukaze wa-apply, you click no. If NSFAS has approved, you click you select yes lapha. Please provide the following for statistical purpose. Laphana futhi nakhona your personal details. You choose if uyindoda, you choose male. If you are a female, you choose a female. I choose a female because ngenzela umuntu wesifazane la. Marital status, if awushadile, you choose lapho single. If ushadile, ukhetha lapha married. Population group, African if you are African, if you are black. Indian if we Indian. Home language, you choose your home language lapha. What are you currently doing? Ubhala logo obhizi ngakho kulo nyaka. If you are unemployed, you choose lapha unemployed. If laphana la disability, if une-disability, bakunikezile ama-disabilities, you choose. If you are not disabled, you choose lapha not disability, then you click next. Next of kin guardian, laphana first name, umuntu ohlala naye noma okuqaphile lapha, uyabhala ama-details akhe. You write ama-details umuntu okuqaphile. You write isibongo sakhe. Title, if a Mr, you choose Mr. Relationship, uyasho ukuthi uhlobene kanjani naye. Partner, cousin, you choose lapho ukuthi how are you related nalowo muntu loyo. Again lapha next of kin, contact person address details, nakhona lapha ufaka ama postal details akhe loyo muntu loyo. After so qedile ngama address details, next of kin lapha ubhala ifone number yakhe. After so ifakile inamba yakhe, would you prefer? If you prefer to be contacted through this person, you click lapha kulela bhokisi lapha, uyachoose lapha kulela bhokisi. If only if ufuna ukuthi abakwa-CAO beku-contact through this person, ukuthi izinto zakho ey'qondene ne-application yakho kungene kulo muntu osuke umkhethile as your next of kin. Uya-choose-a lapha kulela bhokisi. If ufuna beku-contact-e directly kuma-details akho obuwafakile, awuklikhi lutho lapha, you just click next. And then here you write high school details, your high school details. School, usesha lapha isikole sakho. You write igama lesikole sakho and click search lapha, zizovela iy'kole, and then you add lesi sakho wafunda kuso. After sos-edile isikole sakho, you click next. Or before you click next, bafuna ufake ukuthi waqala nini esikolweni sakho, waqeda nini. Wena-ke waziyo ukuthi waqala nini waqeda nini, you write ama-details akho. And then nakhu-ke la okufanele u-apply khona for your desired program. Lana-ke sowufaka ama-choices akho ofuna ukwa-applyela. It is also important to download i-CAO handbook uzobona ukuthi if you qualify for leyo program ufuna ukuyenza. You download i-CAO handbook and then you check if you qualify, then you can add i-qualification leyo ufuna ukuyenza. Kunokuthi ufake i-qualification kanti awu-apply and then you spend your money for nothing. You just come here and search for i-program leyo ofuna ukuyenza. You can write even a single letter, then you click search. It will depict the available programs. Now la program name, then you select. You can select up to 6 choice. You can make 6 choices. And then you select your desired programs. Then you click add. You just click add. Nangu add lapha. If ufuna ukwenza leyo program leyo, you just click add and make sure that you qualify for that program. Do not just select anything that is in front of your eyes. Make sure that you meet the minimum requirement. After selected, you can select a maximum of 6 choices. After selected wonke lawo malokhunja. And also it is important, if you need accommodation, you see here, you have to say yes if you need a resident. And then you click on next. If you have studied at any tertiary institution, la you have to click yes. If awukaze ufunde ku-tertiary, you click no. And then you click on next. And then it will depict your details. After depicting your details, you proofread and you confirm ukuthi yonke into ebhalwe la i-right. Then you click process my application. You are done applying. The only thing that you will have to do after qedile la, you'll have to submit you have to upload a certified copy of your ID, exam result, and proof of payment, and then your application will be through if so wenzile lokho.